Weaning is a stressful time in a pig's life. To ensure weaned pigs start strong, they should be placed into a clean, dry, and warm environment with the correct tools and resources. Pathogens left by the previous group can present a challenge that newly weaned pigs are poorly equipped to handle. After the last group of pigs leave the barn, it should be properly cleaned, disinfected, and inspected. The barn should also have ample time to dry before pigs arrive, and pigs should never be placed in a wet barn. Remember, disinfectant only works when it has time to dry. Approximately 24 hours before pigs arrive, PIC recommends the room temperature should be set at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. By warming the room 24 hours before arrival, the floor and other equipment in the pens will have time to warm up, which will reduce chilling of pigs. Ensure all comfort zone tools, such as mats or brooders, are placed and functioning. To properly prepare a comfort zone, refer to the comfort zone video and other resources that can be found on the PIC website. Prior to arrival, review all environmental controls and settings. Ensure the room temperature and temperature curve are set properly. All equipment such as fans, inlets, heaters, brooders, and curtains should be working correctly. Implementation of a placement plan is the next step in receiving pigs into the barn. PIC recommends allocating pens into 4 different categories: normal, small, hospital, and rescue. The normal category will be most of the pens. PIC recommends sorting out the bottom 10 to 20% of small pigs to be placed together. This pen should not be used for sick pigs. A separate hospital pen should be available for any sick or injured pigs in need of intensive care upon arrival. Place any challenged piglets immediately in hospital pens. Rescue pens should be left available for use in the first 5 days. This pen is for pigs identified from the general population that have not adapted or adjusted as quickly as the others. The rescue pen provides a chance for those pigs to recover. For all other pigs, PIC does not recommend sorting by size. By placing the small hospital and rescue pens toward the center of the barn, temperature variation is reduced and it tends to be warmer. Extra comfort zone tools should be provided and might be left for longer periods of time. These pens should also receive extra attention to help stimulate feed and water intake. Pig classifications will vary in different scenarios. Work with your team and herd veterinarian to determine the placement plan that best suits your situation. Implementing a placement plan and providing a clean, dry, and warm barn environment helps to minimize the stress of weaning and sets the pigs up for success. For more information, contact your wean-to-finish technical services representative or email our wean-to-finish team at wean-to-finish@genusplc.com.